What is the sound of alligators called? Bellow. What is the sound of antelopes called? Snort. What is the sound of apes called? Gibber. What is the sound of badger called? Growl. What is the sound of bats called? Screech. What is the sound of bears called? Growl. What is the sound of bees called? Buzz. What is the sound of birds called? Chirp. What is the sound of calves called? Bleat. What is the sound of camels called? Grunt. What is the sound of capybara called? Squeak. What is the sound of cats called? Meow. What is the sound of cattle called? Moo. What is the sound of chickens called? Cluck. What is the sound of chicks called? Cheep. What is the sound of chinchilla called? Squeak. What is the sound of cicada called? Chirp. What is the sound of cocks called? Crow. What is the sound of cows called? Moo. What is the sound of crab called? Creak. What is the sound of crane called? Clang. What is the sound of crickets called? Chirp. What is the sound of crow's call? Caw. What is the sound of curlew called? Pipe. What is the sound of deer's call? Bell. What is the sound of dogs called? Bark. What is the sound of dolphins called? Click. What is the sound of donkeys called? Bray. What is the sound of doves called? Coo. What is the sound of ducks called? Quack. What is the sound of eagles called? Scream. What is the sound of elephants called? Trumpet. What is the sound of elk called? Bugle. What is the sound of ferret called? Duck. What is the sound of flies called? Buzz. What is the sound of foxes called? Bark. What is the sound of frogs called? Croak. What is the sound of gar called? Moo. What is the sound of geese called? Cackle. What is the sound of giraffes called? Bleat. What is the sound of goats called? Bleat. What is the sound of grasshoppers called? Chirp. What is the sound of guinea pig called? Weep. What is the sound of hamsters called? What is the sound of hares called? Squeak. What is the sound of hawk called? Screech. What is the sound of hens called? Cackle. What is the sound of hermit crab called? Chirp. What is the sound of hippopotamus called? Growl. What is the sound of hogs called? Grunt. What is the sound of hornet called? Buzz. What is the sound of horses called? Neigh. What is the sound of humans called? Whisper. What is the sound of hummingbirds called? Hum. What is the sound of hyenas called? Laugh. What is the sound of jackals called? Howl. What is the sound of kangaroos called? Cholo. What is the sound of koalas called? Scream. What is the sound of lambs called? Bleat. What is the sound of larks called? Sing. What is the sound of lemur called? Chatter. What is the sound of leopard called? Roar. What is the sound of linnet called? Chuckle. What is the sound of lions called? Roar. What is the sound of locust called? Chirp. What is the sound of magpie called? Chatter. What is the sound of mice called? Squeak. What is the sound of monkeys called? Chatter. What is the sound of moose called? Bellow. What is the sound of mosquitoes called? Buzz. What is the sound of mouse called? Squeak. What is the sound of nightingales called? Pipe. What is the sound of okapi called? Cough. What is the sound of ostriches called? Whistles. What is the sound of owls called? Hoot. What is the sound of oxen called? Bellow. What is the sound of parrots called? Screech. What is the sound of peacocks called? Scream. What is the sound of pigeons called? What is the sound of pigs called? Oink. What is the sound of prairie dog called? Bark. What is the sound of quail called? Call. What is the sound of rabbits called? Squeak. What is the sound of raccoon called? Trill. What is the sound of rats called? Squeak. What is the sound of ravens called? Croak. What is the sound of rhinoceros called? Bellow. What is the sound of river otter called? Blow. What is the sound of rook called? Caw. What is the sound of rooster called? Crow. What is the sound of seagulls called? Scream. What is the sound of seals called? Bark. What is the sound of sheep called? Bleat. What is the sound of snakes called? Hiss. What is the sound of songbird called? Chirp. What is the sound of squirrel called? Squeak. What is the sound of swan called? Bugle. What is the sound of tapir called? Squeak. What is the sound of tigers called? Growl. What is the sound of tokay gecko called? Croak. What is the sound of turkeys called? Gobble. What is the sound of vultures called? Scream. What is the sound of whales called? Sing. What is the sound of wild boar called? Growl. What is the sound of wildebeest called? Low. What is the sound of wolves called? Howl. What is the sound of zebras called? Winnie.
Please do like and subscribe to my channel for more updates.